Welcome to the web designing course. My name is Vaseem and today we are going to start our lecture number 10. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge, make their own website and earn money online easily. Now let's start. The topic that we are going to discuss today is about that how we can make the pages in the website. Now this is the last work that we have created the table structure of the website with the help of table tag in the HTML. That let me explain you first. This is the logo and advertisement area. This was our menu area. This is our news sticker. This was our slider area. And this is our content area with the two sidebars. And this is our footer area. In the last lecture, I have told you that how if you have more than one website and you want to create your website's link here just to route your audience to on that websites, that then how you can create this, I have told you in the last lecture. And this is our advertisement area, that where you will put your images of the Google AdSense given by them to you just to earn the money with these advertisements. How you can show this, I have told you in the last lecture. Now today we are going to start create pages, that how we can create the pages in this menu. Now let's start. We are on the index.html, and in all the website index.html mean that we are on the home page. So what it means, that home page is already created. Index.html is home page. Home page is already created. We have to create 4 pages here. You can also create more pages according to your design. If you have more buttons in your menu, then you can create more pages in your design. Now let's start that how we will create these pages. I will open this thing in the notepad. I have told you that how you can open this thing in the notepad in the last lectures. This is our menu area, you can see. Now we have created the pages for this menu. How we will do this, I will put the anchor tag here. I have told you in the last lecture that how you can do this, how you can make the anchor tag on the text. You have to write this thing. I have write this thing here. I have to create it for all the menu, so I will copy this thing. Let me also explain this thing to you in the easy way, that what I am doing here. Like this, I will write here anchor closing tag. Also I will write here anchor closing tag. Now you can see I have write here anchor tag on the menu. You can see I have write anchor tag on the menu. Now what I will do is, as I'm on the home page and home page name is index.html, so I will write here index.html. So on the market page, first of all I will save this thing and show you that links are created or no. The links are created, you can see, right? I will not click on the links because I have not created the pages. So that's why first of all I will create the pages. I'm on the marketing, so I will write here marketing.html. I'm on the designing, so I will write here designing.html. Right? For blog I will write here the blog.html, and for contact I will write here contact.html. Right? I will save this thing and show you the browser first of all. So I will not click because I just have write the link and pages name here. I have not created the pages. Now I will create the pages, right? How I will create the pages, as this is our index.html, I will copy this thing for the 4 times more because I have a 4 button here extra. So I will copy this thing 4 times. Here you can see the 4 time pages is copy, home page is copied for the 4 time. Now what I have to do is I will write here marketing.html on the first page, because this is our second page is marketing.html. So I will write marketing.html here on the name. Here you can see marketing.html page is created. The same way I will copy all the names. Please make sure the name that you have write, the spelling is correct, and you are going to write here correct spelling. So that's why I'm copying this thing, just to avoid the error. Blog. And this is our contact page, right? So these 4 pages are created. The important thing which I want to tell you, that on the index page, I have copied this index page when I have write here all the pages name. If I'm not going to write all the pages name here, and I will copy the index page for the 4 or 5 times, then I have to write these anchor tags on all the pages separately. Hope you understand this thing at what I'm saying you. Now I will refresh my page. I'm on the index.html on the home page. If I will click on the marketing page, you can see the marketing.html page is showing here. And if I will click on the designing, you can see the designing.html here. If I will click on the blog.html, and if I will click on the contact.html here, I click on the home, I'm on the index.html. Hope you understand this thing, that how we can make the pages in the website. So this is all for the today, and the assignment asks for you that you have to tell me in the comment section that how many pages we can make in the website. This is your assignment task, right? You have to tell me the answer in the comment section. So this is all for today. Now, in the last, if you like my videos, please thumbs up my video and subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone, so that everyone can make their own websites in the easy way. Thank you so much.